Okay, guys with machine guns. I guess that means stay the fuck out. Stay the fuck out. Can you see him? Can you see him behind me? Ooh. See, I don't know. Can you see him? Apparently, the sign actually did mean stay the fuck out or we will shoot your ass. Whoops. How you gonna know? I'm studying Korean. I'm getting there. If I would have known that sign, stay the fuck out, the sign said stay the fuck out or we'll shoot your ass, I would have stayed the fuck out. But I don't know. I'm just another Migu Quegu Westerner motherfucker. Okay. I'm gonna have to put this away and drive now. One-handed speed bumps are not cool. Okay, bye.